Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a simple and easy way to start a network diagnosis in the Poppo Live app. This is perfect if you're facing connectivity issues or lag while using the app. So without wasting any time, let's get straight into it. First, open the App Store on your device and type in Poppo Live. Make sure that your app is fully updated to the latest version. Keeping your app updated ensures that you have all the newest features and bug fixes, which can also help reduce network problems. Once your app is updated, open the Poppo Live app and navigate to your profile in the bottom corner. From there, tap on Settings, which you'll find in the top right corner of your screen. Scroll down a little until you see the option called Network Diagnosis. Tap on it to begin the process. The app will now automatically run a full network check and analyze your connection. This may take a few moments depending on your internet speed. Once the diagnosis is complete, you'll get insights about your network, and any potential issues will be highlighted. After finishing the network diagnosis, you can go back to the Poppo Live app and continue using it normally. This is a quick and easy way to ensure your app runs smoothly without interruptions. And that's it for this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more tips and guides. I'll see you in the next video with another useful tutorial. Thanks for watching and stay connected.